so, so easy, girl. Why make it so hard? Loving you, loving you, loving you.
It's so easy to do.
It's so, so easy, girl. Why make it so hard? Loving you, loving you.
It's easy 'cause you're beautiful.
Your silhouette got soul, centerfold, where you belong. Nina Simone song meaningful. I just wanna get deep with you. Small talk is cerebral, walk the boulevard regal. Masterpiece could easily be on a Guggenheim easel. Fly like an eagle, true divine, no equal. How I meet you downtown in the city with your people looking peaceful. I peep you, reputation precedes you. Boss in the streets, killer game, lethal. How I perceive you could lead to a transformational, magical, radical love. It sound irrational, but I wanna lift you up because loving you, loving you, loving you, loving you. It's so, so easy, girl. Why make it so hard? Loving you, loving you, loving you. It's so, so easy, girl. Why make it so hard? Let's get a little deeper. Before we go any further, let me just share some information that can impact our situation about how deep could this relationship go. It's all smooth sailing when you in honeymoon stages, but factors in this equation could add some real complications. Number one, the city I was raised in, known for pimps, hustlers, players. Reputation ain't the greatest. Some of that behavior was contagious. Guilty by association. We don't love and we don't save them. Misogynistic declarations infiltrate my contemplations. Hard to pinpoint where the blame is. Been do a deep evaluation. My childhood observations. No male figure to relate with. Who can provide a demonstration? How to treat a woman sacred. This goes back to plantations. Black man decommunization. Actions emasculating. Still impact this generation. I've been having revelations about the demons I was facing. Wouldn't matter how amazing the woman in my life came in. All these cycles needed breaking. I've been seeking explanations to